Hello there, Taylor with the Armageddon report, man. The NHC site has been going up and down, so sometimes these images disappear, and more importantly, sometimes the site can't update because it's like, the server's not responding. And by the site, I mean the cyclone. Right, so anyway, moving on. We've got no active storms as of yet. However, we've got all of 4 different outlook type advisory type areas. So we've got this one over here in the Northwest Pacific, low. I have no idea which name that would be next. I have not memorized the list. Over here in the Eastern Pacific, not as likely, 10%. And then the second most likely is a 30% out here, which could apparently impact over here, or might impact over there, based on the spaghetti models. And then this is the most likely candidate for something to be showing up soon, and that would be what? Tropical Storm Sandy, if it reached name status, 70% on that one. Most of the models show it continuing to go a little bit there, and then booking straight north. So potentially even impacts to Florida, potential impacts to the East Coast. That's of course a little bit early to tell. It's a little bit early to tell on any of it, right? But let's see if we can get the satellite. Which one is that? There we go. Atlantic wide view. So there you go. There's your 70% area, some area of showers and stuff, but doesn't look very tropical cyclone yet, does it? Which of course is why it's still a probability area, isn't it? Yeah, so that's what's going on. Oh yes, this is a new page where it gathers when, of course, the images work. Okay, the NHC is still up at the moment. It has everything, all of the basins. Cyclocane is not automatically, I should use that word instead, passing the Central Pacific stuff yet. It's on the list, but since, frankly, since so few things happen in that basin, that's why it hasn't been a priority. Right, so there's that page if you'd like to see things at a glance. But of course, with the exception of the Central Pacific Basin, everything already shows up on the main map. Right, so severe weather-wise today, tomorrow, minimal, marginal threat, whatever the M word would be. There was actually a larger threat down here in Texas. I believe it was a 15% chance of hail. However, as the most recent Storm Prediction Center outlook, they have downgraded that just to a 5. So let us take a look at the actual maps. So this is the probability of seeing severe winds today. That'd be 58 miles per hour and greater. So there's your 5% area that, well, that was for hail. The formerly had something higher for hail, but yes, and then a 5% area up there. Similar stories, however, it gets bigger in both for the, both of these expand for the hail, so that'd be the probability of 1 inch larger hail. So I believe that is where the 15% area was earlier. So I bring that up because the Storm Prediction Center could add it back in if, things change again. Yeah. Tornado-wise, though, apparently not on the books. Doesn't mean it won't happen, it's just not really favorable in the outlook. And then tomorrow, here's your 5% areas. So basically, it looks actually quite similar to this, except it's shifting what? Northeastward somewhat? Yeah, so that could be 5% chance of winds, hail, tornado, who knows? We'll find out tomorrow, right when the Storm Prediction Center breaks it down into its composite parts. And then days 3 and then days 4 through 8, at least as of now, not looking too severe. And that's why you check every day, because it does change. Yes, severeweathertv.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WikiWix is WICKED, WX.com. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. That is it for today. Enjoy what is left of the rest of your weekend. Too many est words, apparently. Oh, that's it. Yes, enjoy it.